Hello to my lovely viewers and welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make quick quesadillas without using your gas stove. You can make this quick and cheesy quesadillas in toaster and it takes only a minute or two and very less mess. So let's just dive into a recipe. Let me quickly show you what I'm using for this recipe. Here I have some cheese, pinto beans, some chopped jalapenos, chopped cilantro, and chopped onion. You can use whatever you prefer. And I'm going to keep it very simple. So here I have some pinto beans. Into that, I'm just gonna add a little bit of taco seasoning. And then a little bit of water. And that's it. And I'm going to microwave this for a minute. If you like, you can add some herbs like oregano, or some spice, whatever you feel to add. You can definitely do it according to your preference, but I'm just keeping it very simple. So this is mixed and ready to use. Now for the tortilla wrap, here I have some mission one. And the size I'm using is soft taco, and these are low carb ones. So if you are on keto, then you can use this. I'm going to use this for this recipe. And of course you need a toaster. That's the main thing I forgot to show you. So I'm using this toaster. So first I'm going to make simple cheese quesadilla, perfect for kids. So here I have taken one tortilla. Into that I'm just simply going to add cheese on half of the side, as you can see here. Spread it. Use as much or as less cheese you like. Now this is completely optional. You can just sprinkle a bit of taco seasoning. You can make it however your kids like. I'm just gonna add a little bit of taco seasoning and then fold it over like this, other half. Press it and then you can tuck the sides in. So just fold it one side like this and then second like this. So there is a pocket. You can call this quesadilla pockets. Okay, so this go into a toaster. So just gonna put this pocket here in the toaster, leave it like this, and then press it down. And then here I have some settings here, so you can adjust. Every toaster is different, so you know your toaster well, so adjust according to. If you like crispy, then you can put on the higher setting, or if you like less crispy, you can adjust. So I'm just gonna go to like 4. It is soft and cheese is melting. As you can see, it has started melting. So if you like the softer side quesadilla, then you can do a minute. Minute is perfect. But I'm gonna go for a little crispier side, so maybe a couple seconds more. Use wooden stick. That's the safe thing to use to take out your quesadilla pocket. I think that's enough for me. Perfectly cooked, nice and hot. Easy to carry, especially for kids, no mess. Nice crisp in the back and it's a little crispy on the front. I like this way. And if you see it, nice and cheesy cheese, melted cheese. So perfect quesadilla pocket. So let's make our other one with more stuffing in. So I'm gonna put this on the side for now. So here I have taken other tortilla, and into that I'm going to spread thin layer of this refried beans that we prepared. You can make many recipes out of this pocket. So today I have shared how to make this quesadilla, but you can make Like I have tried so many different like pizza I have tried samosas, and if you guys want me to make different recipes using the same tortilla and toaster oven, just the different recipes, then let me know in the comment box. I will be happy to share with you guys. I am planning to film some different recipes from this. I have tried and I loved it, so it's the must to try. So for on top of the beans, I'm just gonna spread a little bit of cheese. Then this chopped onions, cilantro. Now you can add whatever you like here. I'm just using these few ingredients like onions and jalapenos, but you can definitely use according to your preference and what you have in your kitchen. And I'm going to add more cheese on top. And that's all. And just fold it like I showed you before. And the other cheesy quesadilla, same, fold it over and fold it from the side, tuck it in like this. And let's go in a toaster. Gonna put it. So again, I'm going to cook this for a minute and a half. All right, so it's a minute and a half and I'm going to take it out. Okay, it is very hot. And let me show you if you can see this melted cheese. Oh, very delicious. I cannot wait to try this. You know what, I'm going to cut one and show you. I'm going to cut this one. Look at this. Look at this melted cheese. Perfectly cooked quesadilla pockets in a minute. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you guys want to watch more recipes with this tortilla in a toaster, then do let me know in the comment box and I will be happy to make some videos for you guys. Meanwhile, I'll enjoy this delicious quesadillas.